Hello everyone, welcome to Edumania. In this video lecture, we are going to cover business plan, which is one of the concepts of UGC Net Management Paper 2, 10th chapter, entrepreneurship. So let's get started. What is business plan? Business plan is nothing but it is a roadmap for business success. For any business to get success, it has to develop a business plan. That is, it has to plan its business, what it is going to do in future, how it is going to do. Everything should be clear. So for that, you need to develop a business plan. Generally, business plan is a document which describes the business, its products and services that it is going to offer, and how it will earn the money, and how it is going to staff its employees, and how it is going to source the finance, and how the operations of that particular business takes place each and every day. All these things are documented in this business plan. So a business plan generally is prepared for the new venture or for the existing venture, if that particular existing venture wants to move into the new direction. So it is a written description of business future, as we have already discussed. It tells about what you plan to do and how you plan to do, how the business planning to achieve its objective, what are its objectives. All these things comes under this business plan. So coming to importance of the business plan, it is important for the external stakeholders, financial institutions, and investors, customers, to know about um, what what it is doing, what the particular business is doing. And in order to reach the goal, it has to plan its business activities, and they may cover the development of new products, services like new IT systems, refurbishment of the factory, restructuring of organization. All these things are covered under this business plan. So coming to the structure of business plan, the structure of business plan is like this. It consists of mission statement, the purpose of existence of that particular business, and business environment analysis, that is pestle analysis, that is political, economical, legal, technological, social, cultural, environment analysis. Industry background is like the future possibilities within the industry, all the information about the markets that are present in the industries, like new products and developments which will help in development of the business. All these things covered under the industry, the future growth of that particular growth potential of the particular industry. All these things are covered under the industrial background. And marketing analysis, like it helps the entrepreneurs to become familiar with all the aspects of the markets, and it helps in establishing the prices of the products, distribution and promotional strategies of the particular products, and also help in indication of the growth potential within the industry. And the marketing size, structure and growth, everything can be known with the help of this marketing analysis. And next, operations plan, that is day to day functions on a continuous basis is planned. This plan the main purpose of this plan is to design the day to day operations, day to day functions. So what are the responsibilities of the particular management team, what are the different tasks assigned in each division, etc., will be discussed in this operational plan. And next, financial plan. So financial plan is very important for the success of any business. There are generally we know about three common financial statements, that is cash flow, income statements and balance sheet. So these three statements are interlinked, and as there is any changes in one, will definitely change others. So we have to measure quite different aspects of the financial health with with this help of these three components. They measure the financial health of the particular company. So it is very important to design the financial plan of a particular venture. And next, executive summary. It is generally a statement of the synopsis of the business. It consists of business concept. It is like a summary of entire business plan. It consists of business concept, the financial features, financial requirements, the major achievements of the particular business, and what is the current business position. All these things are covered under this executive summary. And business description is about the description of the business, entire business, how the business will earn its profits, products and services that the business offered must be described here, all these things. And SWOT analysis is nothing but strength, weakness, and opportunities and threats. These should be analyzed within that particular business. And competitor analysis is nothing but analysis of the competitors' strengths and weaknesses. You have to analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and you have to develop the strategies which help you in making means having a competitive advantage with other competitors. And marketing plan is nothing but the marketing mix, the product, price, place, promotion strategies, and the management summaries, and the attachment milestones. All these things means what are the milestones you have achieved, all these things you want to achieve, all these things are covered under the business plan. So this is all about the business plan. Hope it is clear to you. For more videos of UGC Net Management Examination Paper 2, please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.